Hello student, how are you beta? I hope you all are fine and fit at your home. Student, this is your revision class. So today we will revise the main points of the chapter number 5 and chapter name is Working in MS Office PowerPoint. Student, we have already learned many features of MS PowerPoint in the previous class. So let us have a quick review and again learn more features of PowerPoint. So let us start. Now student, we will start the topic with the introduction of MS PowerPoint. Student, Microsoft PowerPoint allows us to place our content into a series of slides in a presentable form, which can be projected using a projector for the audience. Okay, and they can even be printed and distributed as handouts or published online using different file formats. Student, as I told you that PowerPoint is a presentation program developed by Microsoft, okay, and it provides facilities to create digital slideshow. Class, PowerPoint has various tools which can be used to create professional presentation. Now, the question is that what is a presentation? Student, as you know that a PowerPoint presentation is a series or a collection of several pages called slides arranged in an organized way to present information. Okay, now it is clear? Good. Now class, we will discuss about the to open the PowerPoint. Student, as you know that to work in PowerPoint, it is required to be opened first. Okay, student, to open the PowerPoint screen, we follow some step. And as I told you that, firstly, you will click on Start button. Okay, after that, one menu will be appear on your desktop screen. Okay, in this menu, you will click on All Program. After that, you will select the Microsoft Office. Student, when you select the Microsoft Office, one shortcut menu will be appear on your screen. In this menu, you will select the Microsoft PowerPoint screen. Student, the PowerPoint will be open in front of you. Okay, you will see the screen components as marked below. Okay, now class, come to the next point. Next point is to create a presentation. Student, creating a blank presentation is to do everything yourself according to your choice. Student, to open a new presentation, firstly you will click on the Office button and select New option. Okay. After that, the new presentation dialog box will be appear on your screen, as you can see on your screen. Okay. Now you will click on the blank presentation icon. Okay, and finally click on the create button. Student, when you click on create button, then blank presentation will be appear on your screen. Student, remember one thing that when you start MS PowerPoint 2010, a new file name presentation 1, and containing one slide of title slide layout opens up. Okay, and this slide consists of two placeholders. First one is title box and second one is subtitle box. Okay, as you can see in this figure. Now to start making a new presentation, a blank presentation is the best option. It means when you open the PowerPoint, it opens in the blank presentation mode. Okay? It is clear? Good. Now students, come to the next topic, and next topic is developing the title slides. Class, to develop the title slide, you need to add a title and subtitle in the respective placeholder. Okay. After that, you will click on the placeholder where click to add title is mentioned. Now type the main topic of your presentation on your slide. Okay. Class, you will click on the placeholder where click to add subtitle is mentioned and type more matter about the presentation. Okay. And remember one thing, in other layout where the title placeholder is, you can add the title by following the first step as I told you that. Okay, it means firstly click on the placeholder where click to add title is mentioned. Okay, it is clear? Good. Now class, here we will discuss about the placeholder. Student, placeholders are boxes with dotted borders that are a part of the slide layout. It means a placeholder is an area on the slide which is enclosed by a dotted rectangular border and can contain an object. Student, different objects of the slide such as text, images, graphics, etc. are contained in placeholder. A slide, it can also be termed as a group of placeholder. Student, as you can see in the figure also. Okay, and some placeholders contain placeholder tags which you can replace. They also contain thumbnail size icons. Okay, and that represent a specific command such as insert table, insert picture, insert chart, insert clip art, and much more. Okay, and move your mouse pointer over each icon in the placeholder to see the type of content you can insert in the placeholder. Okay. Now student, come to the next topic. Next topic is to add a new slide. Class, when you create a new presentation, one blank slide having the title slide layout is already added in the presentation. Student, for example, is the notebook cover sufficient to create a notebook? No? Yes, you must have other pages inside too for a notebook. In the same way, only the title slide is not sufficient. Okay, you must have multiple slides to create presentation to convey the idea effectively. Okay, and there are variety of slide formats available from which you can choose whichever suit you. Student, to add a new slide, firstly you will click on Home tab. Okay, it means click on New Slide drop down arrow button present in the Home tab. Different type of slide layout appear. From the slide layout gallery, you will select the title and content for your presentation. Okay, a new slide having title and content layout will get added into your presentation. Now you can add the title and contents of your choice. Okay, it is clear? Good. Now we will discuss about the moving the text block. Student, many times you will move the placeholder containing the text to adjust it to a different position on the slide. So let us see how to do it. Student, to move the text block, firstly you will click on the text in the placeholder. Okay, a border will appear around the text. Student, position the pointer on the border when it changes its shape to four-head arrow. Okay, and drag the mouse to move the text enclosed in the border. Student, your text will be moved according your direction. Okay. Now we will discuss about the rotating the text block. Student, you can rotate the text block also in PowerPoint. It means to rotate the text blocks, you will click on the text in the placeholder. Okay, you will see the rotational handle. As you can see in the figure also, rotational handle show in green color. Okay, bring the pointer over the rotation handle. The pointer will change to round arrow. Okay. Student, drag to turn the mouse clockwise or anti-clockwise. Then the text block will rotate accordingly. Okay. Student, remember one thing that you can also resize the text block by using the standard window resizing techniques. Okay, and the text will get resized and readjust itself in the text block. Okay, have you understand beta? Good. Now class, come to the next topic, and next topic is to change font formats of the text. Student, firstly, can you tell me that what is font? Okay, I tell you. Student, a font is the design of the characters which you type. Okay, as you know that MS PowerPoint allows many different features to format the slide that enables you to create an attractive presentation. Okay, there may be many places in your presentation where you want to emphasize more and want to attract audience attention at those places. Student, this is the formatting group. By this group, you can format your data. Okay, it means you can do so many formatting the contents of the presentation. Okay, and you can format the text enter in the slide to presentation by changing its font color, font size, font style, etc. Okay, now let us learn about the font group on the home tab. Student, the first option in font group is font. Student, it select a font for your text. It means a list of font will open once you click on the font group arrowhead button. Okay, next one is font size. Class, it changes the size of the font for your text. Okay, now next one is BIU. B for bold, I for italic, U for underline. It means bold, it makes the text bold. Underline, it underlines the text. Italic, it italicizes the text. Okay, Now next one is change case. The drop down list of this option like sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, okay, toggle case. It means you can change the case of your data. Now next one is font color. Student, it change the color of the font. Okay. Now next option is straight through. It cross the text by drawing a line through it. Okay. Now next one is text effect. You can apply the some 3D effect on your data. Okay. Now text highlight. Student, by this option you can apply the highlighting on your data. Okay. Now have you understand better? Good. Now class, we will discuss about the changing the alignment. Student, alignment means position of the text on the page. It means we can set the alignment before typing the text, or we can type the text and then change its alignment on the page. Student, MS PowerPoint provides 4 options to align the text: left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justified alignment. There are 4 types of alignment. Okay. Now, how will change the alignment? Student, firstly place the cursor on the text placeholder. Okay. After that, you will click on the Home tab. Now, you will select the Align text left, center, justify, or right as your required. Okay. Then the text will align itself within the placeholder box. Okay. Students, the positioning of the text inside the text box is called the alignment. And the paragraph group on the Home tab has all the alignment feature. Okay, it is clear? Good. Now we will discuss about the inserting smart art. Student, a smart art graphic is a visual representation of your information and ideas. Class, as you know that PowerPoint offers a unique feature called Smart Art, which allows user to add text to predefined art design. Okay, the advantage with Smart Art, although each component of the Smart Art can be added individually, is that you can also modify the Smart Art as a whole while retaining the setting on each component. Okay, student, in PowerPoint we have an option of Smart Art graphics to communicate your message quickly, easy and effectively. Now to insert the Smart Art graphic in a slide. Student, for this task, firstly, in the contain placeholder, you will click the Insert Smart Art graphic icon. Okay. The Smart Art gallery will be open on your screen. Student, you can choose the Smart Art category and then pick Smart Art type from the list. And you can also get a preview and a short description of the graphic in the preview section. Okay. And select the Smart Art type or click on OK button. Student, the Smart Art will get inserted and add text in the placeholder of the Smart Art graphic. Okay. Now have you understand beta? Good. Now class come to the next topic. And next topic is to change the smart art style. Student, to change the effect of the smart art object. Many types of smart art style are available. Student, firstly you will select the smart art object. Okay? After that, scroll through the smart art style gallery and click on the style of your choice. Now the style will be applied to the smart art object like this. Okay? Student, remember one thing that for any action on a smart art object like changing its layout, style or color, if options on the ribbon are not available, you will click on Smart Art tool contextual tab. Student, this tab appear when an object is selected. Okay, and this tab contain information or option relevant to that object only. Okay, it is clear? Good. Now the next topic is changing bulleted text to smart art. Student, here we will discuss about the changing bulleted text to smart art. Class, as I told you that you can also change your bulleted point into an interesting and meaningful smart art graphic easily. Class, for this task, firstly you will click on the bulleted text placeholder. It means you will do right click on the bulleted text placeholder. Okay, one shortcut menu will be displayed on your screen. Class, in this shortcut menu, you will select the convert to smart art. After that, smart art gallery will be appear on screen. Student, from the Smart Art gallery, you will select the Smart Art style. Then the bulleted text will change to Smart Art graphics. Okay, it is clear? Good. Now student, come to the next topic. Next topic is adding clip art. Class, clip art is a ready-made collection of pictures, sound and video clips ready to be inserted in computer file. It means class, adding clip art to your presentation can be a great way to represent important picture, and you can insert the images from your computer with the help of the clip art. It means adding the image to your presentation make them more interesting. Clip art and screenshot can be inserted into a PowerPoint presentation to help you effectively convey your idea to the audience. Student, for this task, firstly you will click on the clip art icon in the contain placeholder. Okay. After that, the clip art text pane will open on your screen like this. Here, enter a search term in the search for text box to find the related picture and then click on the go button. Student, the picture will be displayed and click on the picture you want to insert, and finally the picture will be inserted on the slide. Okay, now it is clear? Good. Student, remember one thing that when the internet is not available to search for pictures from the office collection, okay, then you will click on the Organize Clips option at the bottom part of the text pane and select a picture from various displayed categories. Okay, good. Now today we will discuss about the adding the picture from a file. Student, you can add your own pictures which you have scanned or download from the internet by clicking on the insert picture from file icon in the contain placeholder. It means class, firstly place the cursor where you want to add the image. After that, you will click on insert picture icon in the contain placeholder. Okay, the insert picture dialog box will appear on your screen as you can see in the figure also. Now you will search and select the desired image file from your computer and click on the open button. Student, after that the picture will appear in your slide like this. Okay? It means you can add the picture on your screen. Come to the next topic, and next topic is to add a table in the slide. Student, when you have to show data in categories, then table can be used. Like in a slide, you want to show the timetable of activities. Okay, then you can insert a table and add the content in cell of the table. Now let us see how can insert the table in the slide. Student, for this task, firstly you will click on the insert table icon in the content placeholder. Okay. After that, the insert table dialog box will be appear on your screen as you can see in the figure also. Okay. Now here you enter the number or rows and columns and click on the OK button. Okay. The table will be inserted on your slide. Okay. Like this. Okay, beta. Students, after inserting the table, if you want to change the style of your table, then you will select a style for the table. Okay? And click on the OK button. Now it is clear? Good. Students, here we will discuss about the theme. Class, a theme is a predefined combination of a background. It means a theme is a predefined combination of colors, font and effects that can be applied to a presentation. Okay. And MS PowerPoint has many built-in themes that allow you to easily create beautiful presentation. Student, while making presentation, themes can be applied or changed at any time and on any slide. Okay. Now let us see how we'll insert the theme on our slide. Student, you know that every PowerPoint theme, including the default Office theme, has its own theme element. These elements can be set or just change like other MS Office application. Student, to use the theme option to create a new presentation. Okay, and after that you will click on new option for make a presentation. The new presentation window open like this. Okay, from this window you will click on installed theme option. Okay, and select a theme as your requirement. And finally, you will click on the create button. Student, when you click on the create button, then the title slide will appear. Okay, on your screen. Here you can add more slide to complete the presentation. Okay, have you understand better? Good. Now student, come to the next topic, and next topic is view buttons of PowerPoint. Student, as you know that MS PowerPoint is a presentation program. Okay, And there are different type of views available in PowerPoint. So let us learn the various type of views and their features. Student, the first view is normal view. Okay, this is the screen of normal view. Student, the normal view is the main editing view where you can write and design the presentation. It means the normal view is more commonly known as the slide view. Okay, and the next view is slide sorter view. Student, slide sorter view is a view of all slide in a presentation in thumbnail form, as you can see in the figure also. Okay, and the slide sorter view gives you an overall picture of the presentation, making it easy to reorder, add or delete slides. Okay, now the next view is slideshow view. This is the main view of PowerPoint. Student, this is the screen of slideshow view. Student, by this view, you can show the presentation on full screen. It means slideshow view is the full screen view in which you see your presentation the way your audience will see it. Okay, and you can see how your graphics, animation, effects and timing look during the actual presentation. Okay, student, when you click on the slideshow view button, the slideshow starts from the current slide. Okay, now have you understood better? Good. Now class, here we will discuss about the some important points of chapter number 5. It means here I am going to explain the chapter in short. So listen carefully. Student, as you know that the first topic is Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Class, Microsoft PowerPoint is an application software that is used to make presentation. It means PowerPoint is a presentation making software and is part of the Microsoft Office suite. Okay, and the next point is smart art. Student, smart art graphic picture can change the bulleted text into a graphical object very easily with a few clicks of the mouse. Student, it means a smart art graphic is a visual representation of your information and ideas. Okay? And the next point is theme. Student, a theme is the predefined combination of background which suggests color schema for your presentation. It means themes are the set of pre-designed formats that include text, layouts, backgrounds, and color, etc., and which can be applied to any presentation. Okay? And the next topic is normal view. Student, you know that normal view is the main editing view which you use to type and design your presentation. Class, in normal view you can add text, graphics, sound, animation and other effects as well as. Okay? And the next view is slice sorter view. Student, slice sorter view display a monetary view of all the slide in a presentation. It means slice sorter view is the view of your slide in the thumbnail form. Okay, and the next view is slideshow view. Class, slideshow view shows all the slides of a presentation starting either from the first slide or the current slide, one after another. Okay, and one slide occupies the complete screen. Student, slice sorter view take up the full computer screen like an actual slideshow presentation. Okay, in full screen view you can see how your graphics, timing, movies, animated elements and effects will look in the actual show. Okay? Okay? Have you understand beta? Good. Now class, come on the classwork of chapter number 5. Student, here we will do some exercise of chapter number 5. Okay? And the exercise is name the following. Student, note down the all question answers on your notebook in proper way. Okay? And the first question is a view that shows the slide in a manipulative form. Student, can you tell me that what is the answer? Yes, answer is slide sorter view. Okay, and the next question is a bar located at the top of the window of MS PowerPoint. And the answer is title bar. Okay, good. Now the third question is a collection of pictures and graphics. Yes, give me the answer. Yes, beta. Answer is clip art. Very good. Now question number 4 is a strip of buttons across the top of MS PowerPoint window. Yes, student. Answer is status bar. Okay. Now class, this is your homework part of chapter number 5. Student, here we will solve the homework whatever I have given you earlier. Okay, so listen carefully. Student, in homework, the first question is multi-choice question. Class, the first MCQ is PowerPoint is a software used to, yes, make a presentation. Okay, and the next question is the placeholders are, give me the answer. Yes, boxes with dotted border. Student, check your answer that you have done it correct or not. Okay, the next question is the smart art is a visual representation of ideas and information. It is the correct answer of question number 3. Okay. Now class, the next MCQ is a theme is. Answer is a predefined combination of a background. Okay. The next question is a clip art is. The answer is ready-made collection of picture. And the last question is the pages in a presentation are called. Yes, answer is slides. Very good, beta. Thank you, class, for watching the computer lecture. Have a nice day.